Hello guys, welcome back to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to read Messenger messages without Seen. Let's get started. Start by opening Messenger on your device. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top left. Tap on the gear icon at the top right. Here, tap on Privacy and Safety. Under What People See, tap on Read Receipts. Now toggle off the option for Show Read Receipts. Now people won't be able to see if you've read the messages or not, and that is how to read Messenger messages without Seen. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.